Hi, let's read the problem. A strong pipe can fill a tank in 20 minutes. However, it is observed that when it develops leakage, the tank filled in 30 minutes. How long will the leakage take to empty the full tank? So, a tank takes 20 minutes to get fully filled. We find the rate of water flow from the pipe, because what time will the tank take to get fully filled will depend upon the rate of water flow from the pipe. So, we first find rate of water flow from pipe. How we define rate of water flow? Suppose that 24 liter of water flows out from the pipe in say 6 seconds. Then the amount of water flowing per second, amount of water flowing every second, it's called the rate of water flow. And how do we obtain that? We divide 24 liter by 6 seconds and we get 4 liter water flowing out per second. We call this the rate of water flow, and let's denote it by R. For water flow from pipe, we denote rate by RP, P standing for pipe, the rate of water flow from pipe. It is equal to the volume of water that flow out of the pipe V divided by the time it takes, as we saw in the example of 24 liter of water, V divided by time. Now in 20 minutes, the tank is filled with water fully. So in the time of 20 minutes, the amount of water that flows from the pipe will be equal to the volume of tank itself. So rate of water flow from pipe will be Rp. Now second point in the problem is, when there is a leakage, the tank takes 30 minutes to get filled fully. Meaning it takes more time because water is leaking out of the tank. In the time of 30 minutes, certainly more water will flow out of the pipe because the water is flowing from the pipe at the same rate. In 20 minutes, the volume of water that flows from the pipe fills up the tank. In 30 minutes, meaning 10 minutes more water will flow out of the pipe. So let's denote the volume of water flowing out of the pipe in 30 minutes by V dash. In this formula, in this first formula, if we multiply both sides by time, then time get cancelled and we get volume on one side and time multiplied by Rp on the other side. This means that the volume flowing out of the pipe in time t is simply Rp multiplied by time. In the same line, the volume V dash flowing from the pipe in time of 30 minutes will be given by V dash equal to Rp multiplied by 30, which we can simply write as 30 Rp. V dash is the volume of water flowing from pipe in 30 minutes and V is the volume of water flowing in 20 minutes. Certainly V dash will be greater than volume V of the tank. Then where does the extra volume of water go in 30 minutes? The extra volume of the water goes out of the tank due to leakage. So due to leakage, the volume of water flowing out of the tank will be V dash minus V. Let's call it leakage volume of water. Using the same formula as here, we can write leakage rate of water RL equal to the volume of water leaking V dash minus V divided by the time, and the time in which the leakage takes place is 30 minutes. So we write 30 here. Now we write RL equal to, we replace V dash by 30 RP, and for V we write RP into T. We take T on this side and write V equal to T RP. In this equation we take 20 on this side and write V equal to 20 RP divided by 30. This gives us RL equal to 10 RP upon 30, and we obtain the result that the leakage rate is 1/3 of pipe rate. Now we have to find how much time will the leakage take to empty the entire tank. So let's assume T be the time taken to empty tank. V is the volume of the tank which is emptied in time T due to leakage. Thus we can write leakage rate also as RL equal to V divided by T, the volume of water divided by time. We replace RL here by right hand side V by T and write V by T equal to 1 by 3 RP. Now we again move to the first equation where we have Rp equal to V by T. So we replace Rp by V by T in this equation. On the right hand side we replace Rp by V by 20. We replace Rp by V by 20. And this gives us V divided by T equal V divided by 16. We get cancelled and we get 1 divided by T equal to 1 by 16. And finally we have the value of T equal to 60 minutes. It takes 60 minutes for the tank to get empty due to leakage. Thank you.